Televidente, danke para junto con nós. Awin in timeout, nós grau norte junto con nós. Lana Gobert, nos long distance runner elite, que está corriendo, wow, está número 1 que está vai en su categoría aqui da Aruba. La que nós vai para timeout, cortica se daqui, nós vem back, nós está conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke porque nos conocen junto con la señora Lana Gobert, nos long distance runner elite, corredor elite de NSA. Lana, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How is everything? How is everything right now? Tell us about Turibana Lobe. How it went?
To Ribanalope this year, it went good. It was nice. We had nice weather, and it was a very nice race. And for me, Turibana is a special one because when I started running, it was the first race where I actually got my first trophy.
Oh,
So
that's
for
nice.
me, yes, for me, it's always like it's a nice memory lane run.
Did you break your personal record?
Unfortunately, not. I've tried, but because I'm training for the marathon, and marathon is in 2 weeks now.
Where,
No,
where,
actually 3.
where it will be held?
It will be Chicago Marathon,
The
October 8th.
Chicago. Oh, yes, I forgot
Yes.
about that. Okay, but tell me, how was the competition for you in the Turibana Lobe?
Competition was good, and I really enjoy. I think it's very important to actually take part in those races because it really helps you develop. It helps you to work on your speed, on your performance, and it gives you every race gives you a new experience.
Okay, very good. Um, did you see improvement compared with the year before?
Um, Unfortunately, I cannot say I did, though I did feel more comfortable this year. Maybe because I didn't have pressure on myself.
No, not on
Because I want.
the whole organization. Did you see something? Hey, this was nicer than the year before.
I believe that this race is a 40 years race. They had it so long, like from 1980s. They had this race.
Yes, yes.
And I think for me, it's so almost like a celebration of our spirit, right? That we keep doing it every year, and I do believe that every year is something special, and even that we keep doing it, it's already a celebration.
You
And
know,
then, of course, little by little, it gets better.
you know what also struck me is Jethro St. Fleur. He broke the record of Richard, right?
I think in this race he ran as a team. He
Oh,
didn't run the whole race.
oh, okay. I thought it was he running the 10K. Oh,
No, because this year, um, nobody broke any records.
oh,
Oh, if you wanted to, I wanted to show you. Look,
oh, that's nice.
this was my real, like the very, very first trophy that I got
That's nice. That's nice.
from 2015.
And, and you're still number one in Patricia, right?
Yes, I am.
But you will stay there for a long time. Let me tell you that, because what you're doing is incredible. Look, you're preparing for the marathon. You have only 3 weeks more to go. Are you breaking down your preparation?
Right now, my training. The volume is going down because we are approaching the race. I've already passed all my longer runs. The longer run I did was 38K, and the rest were 36, 35, and so. And right now, I only have a few 20 kilometers runs left. Because you have to get a little more rest approaching the race day. So we are almost on the finish line towards it.
Look, let me try to get into your mind. How is your mindset, let's say, at the starting point? What do you focus on that moment?
Uh, as I ran quite a few marathons. Right now, I know on the start you have to believe in yourself. You have to stay very calm, and you have to breathe deep, and you really have to control your emotions, because everything on the race day, on the race starts, it is so much that's going on around you, and it's very easy to get overwhelmed and nervous. So the most important is to stand there and focus on inner calmness.
Wow, wow. Televidente, la que no sabe time out, cortica si yo los envío a los demás ku Lana Gobert, nos elite corredor di distancia na largo.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke pagkaroon ko nos junto ko Lana Gobert. Lana, look, you're running the Chicago 10K right now. You're going to run it just now. And after that, you're going to Hawaii?
Yeah, so on October 8th, I'm going to do Chicago Marathon. And on October 14th, I'm going to Kona, Hawaii for the Ironman World Championship. To do the full Ironman.
Tell me how do you prepare yourself? Look, a marathon is not an easy one to prepare. An Ironman is much more difficult to prepare for that. How do you do that? Because not only physically, but mentally, how do you do that?
Yes, that's true. You can prepare yourself physically with all the running and the biking and swimming, but it's about the mind strength, because Ironman takes a long time, right? It's more than 10 hours of solid
Yes.
work. You have to concentrate, and during all the hours of training, that's what you do. That's what I do. I concentrate on my mind, and I stay positive, and I tell myself, yes, I can. Yes, I can. I know I can, and I know I will. And you try to see yourself at the finish. You try to visualize and see how you see yourself there already with like a finisher medal.
Wow, that's nice to hear. Look, are you training somebody right now in Aruba?
Um, I actually like to train by myself. I train with Coach Glinon and with the Team Sports for You. So sometimes I join kids for the certain trainings, or sometimes I join other teams for the trainings. But mostly, I prefer to do my long runs and my long swims. I prefer to do it by myself. I think it helps me as well, it kind of helps me to prepare myself for the big day, because
Okay.
then you are there and there is nobody who can pull you or push you. It's you and your mind.
Wow, yes, you're right, you're right. You know why I ask you? Because you have a lot of experience and your results, that they're speaking for themselves. So it would be nice if you could bring that over, especially in the youth that's coming up.
But that's exactly what I do, because I am, as my children are training, doing triathlon, and I I am there almost every training that the kids have, and they see me training. Like when they swim, I swim. When they bike, I also join sometimes. And I do believe that kids are our future, and we can. And the only way to teach them is to show them by example, right, what we can do. And even now the kids who, like 2 years ago, they were trying to catch me, and right now on the shorter distances they're running with me, and they passing me, and I see how it brings joy in them, and it makes them proud, and it's nice to see how they grow.
Look, last year, how many trophies did you win in your
i
category?
didn't count I didn't count, but this year I already won, I don't know, quite a few. I even brought a trophy from the Atlanta Marathon this year
Oh, okay, that's nice.
when I won the Masters category. Yes, first place.
What do you want to achieve this year?
I want to do a good time in Chicago, and I want to survive and do well in Kona. To be able to say that yes, I did the World Championship there.
Wow, wow. We will be hearing of you. You will be seeing because they will put it on Facebook for us, and so we can follow you. Um, um, Everywhere wherever you go, we're gonna follow you on Facebook. Look, Lana. Um, um, do you think you're gonna surpass what you did last year this year?
Well, last year when I did the Ironman, it was my qualification for the world stage. So this year I'm doing the Ironman World Championship, and it's
Wow.
already now it's already the highest stage. So just being chosen for that competition is already something great. And as well as for Chicago, in Chicago I will be running as a part of the age group World Championship,
Wow, wow,
and
wow.
yes, it's also something special. So just to do those two events, it would be already.
Great, great, great. I know that. I know that. Televidente, no se delante que nandi un superwoman, la que me llamé así, para sobre verdaderamente lo cual está haciendo en carrera, está increíble. Porque quem está metido em mundo que quem está lá, não sabe exatamente quem está lá na Google, no momento aqui na rua, fazendo tremendo, tremendo trabalho. Lana, we want to thank you very much and wish you all the best. And both races are coming from Chicago, the marathon, and in Hawaii, the Ironman competition we will have in Hawaii on the 14th of October. Thank you very much, Lana.